Dirahay.
The barangay officials and residents of Barangay Merced, Banate, Iloilo and Team Unity present Dinaguob sa Barangay Merced 2023. Dinaguob sa Barangay Merced 2023. The 6th Battle of the Mini Sounds.
Sakit-sakit ba?
Featuring the following mini sounds, known to be the best of the best. The Princess Mini Sounds of Barotac Viejo. The Finio Brothers Mini Sounds of Calao, Dumangas. Sheen Mini Sound of Barotac Nuevo. Riz 24 Mini Sounds of Mandurriao, Iloilo City. Bartolo Mini Sounds of Palok Suol, Dumangas. Padot Mini Sounds of Dao Capiz. Auro Mini Sounds of Mina, Iloilo. ERJ Mini Sounds of Pandan, Lambunao, Iloilo. Pitbull Mini Sounds of Palok Bique, Dumangas. Gilas Mini Sounds of Barangay Kaui, Batad, Iloilo. Gators Mini Sound of Tigom, Pavia. MP3 Audio Force of Barangay Tamukon, Bototan, Iloilo. JLC Mini Sounds of Daan Banwa, Lambunao, Iloilo. Tugay Mini Sounds of Lambunao. Altec Lansing Mini Sounds of Villa Arevalo. Bullfrog Mini Sound of Merced, Banate, Iloilo. AC Warriors Mini Sounds of Barotac Viejo. RNA Mini Sounds of Calacan, Dueñas, Iloilo. And M-Star Mini Sounds. And the official sound system, ABS Pro Lights and Sounds of Balocuan, Sigma Capiz.
Aragay! Saka na turn!
Powered by NRMS Rockstone Product from LJM Sunworks Production of Sicatville, Tunasan, Muntinlupa City. Sponsored by NRMS Rockstone Product, TV Audio Professional Sound, LJM Soundworks of Tunasan, Muntinlupa, Villarias and Tisoy Trucking Services, J&G Audio Equipment Services, located at Barangay Manit, Pasi, Iloilo. Quality Sounds Control Audio, located at Patag, Barotac Nuevo. MPR Music Production by DJ Mark Peñaflor and Ilonggo's Clothing with event promoter Barangay Kagawad Rinante Panganiban. Event organizer Mr. Leo Gargoles, Trouble Trouble, Mr. Onyok Lodovico Sumalde. Featuring the music of official DJs of Team Unity, DJ Wowie, DJ Mark Peñaflor, DJ Eric Madlife, DJ Brian of Carles, DJ Philip Aquino, DJ Tubibo, DJ Christian Pama, and DLM Remix Sila. And event host, the one and only DJ Dave Johnson.
Aragay.
Dinaguob sa Barangay Merced 2023. Dinaguob sa Barangay Merced 2023. The 6th Battle of Mini Sounds. Highlight your calendar on March 21, 2023. This event is brought to us by the Barangay officials of Merced, Banate, Iloilo, headed by Honorable Captain Ronnie Emilio. Barangay Kagawad Joey Sarasa. Kagawad Jerry Barteso. Kagawad Rene Samuel. Kagawad Marjorie Barba. Kagawad Celiasel Remigelio. Kagawad Eremeo Basaygan. SK Chairman Mary Rose Anton. And Barangay Merced Functionaries. Dinaguob sa Barangay Merced 2023. Dinaguob sa Barangay Merced 2023. The 6th Battle of Mini Sounds. Don't dare miss it.
Masadya talaga ito.